So this new weller through the post, 60 watt. Got LED lights around so that you can see. They call it the LED halo ring. I did have the older version of this with the 3 LEDs and it was handy. So obviously having more LEDs is going to be better, especially when you use them on cars and things. So anyway, let's have a look. That's my old one. This has been brilliant. It's done everything I wanted it to. But this one was on sale, so I couldn't resist. Right, I've watched a few reviews and they all seem to time how long it takes to melt the solder. So let's have a look. I'll just set the timer. Okay, switching on. And you can see the halo lights. It's pretty good, bright. I don't know how long it'll take. Most of them will take about a minute, I think, so that's 20 seconds. Starting to go now. So there you go. It was already tinned as well, so it's just starting to melt it now. Not brilliant yet, but there you go, it's going now. So about 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'll just solder this and then we should know how good it is. Yeah, I've never used one of them big tips before. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, really impressed with that. Brilliant. Super high quality. Okay, happy with that.